Hello, thank you for stopping on by. Hello, if you are new, my name is Staci. If you're returning, hello, welcome back. And we have the full spoiler list for the Fabfitfun Summer 2022 box. And did you know that Fabfitfun has actually been featured on both Good Morning America and the Today Show? I did not know that, but they have. Okay, let's start with category 1. And we have a Foxy Bay Rose Gold Blowout Dryer Brush Pro, and this has a retail value of $189.95. Like, I have a cheaper one that it's not rose gold, but one of the blowout brushes that I got off of Amazon. So I'm a little tempted on this one to get it to try to compare to see, like, for that price tag, is there a big difference? Because wowzers, I don't know. Let me know if you have tried that and if it is like worth that price. Also in that category is the Free People bralette. I do have some more information in detail about that I talked about on the first spoilers video. I'll have that linked up above here and down below if you're interested. I'm going to talk about everything, but in that one I went a little bit more in detail on some of these spoilers. And that I am tempted about because, yeah, I'm just tempted on that one. So those two things, maybe. Or if you want some hair products, the IGK Legendary, that is, you can get the Dream Hair Shampoo and Conditioner that has a $62 value. They are cruelty-free and 100% vegan, and it says that it's good for all hair types. But I think I got enough stuff right now for shampoo and conditioner that I'm going to pass on that one. And we have an Elemis item. What do you think about Elemis? The bummer thing is they're not cruelty-free, and they definitely are high price point. Some of the stuff I've tried I've thought was okay, but some of it's just like mediocre. I don't know. This is the Pro Collagen Night Cream, and it has a $96 value. And I do have a little bit of a handbag obsession. So this one is tempting too. This is Samara, a shoulder bag in peony, which is like a pink, which I love pink. It has a $125 value. I have never tried anything from this brand. It is 100% vegan leather. This one does measure 7.15 by 8.5 by 3.25 inches. So that one I'm tempted on, but I need to really actually declutter some bags, so I think I'm going to pass on that. And the last option is Draper James Woven Seagrass Tray, and this retails for $45. The measurements is 15 by 10 by 2.135 inches. So that is category 1. So what are you thinking about getting? Or have you tried any of these products? Category number 2. And you know what? I forgot to say, oops. If you don't know what Fabfitfun is, then it is a quarterly subscription box. You can pay either by quarter or by the year. And again, if you want more details about the difference between the seasonality and the annual, I'll have that video linked down below. I just don't want to repeat myself in this spoiler one, but that one I go more into detail. All right, so category number 2, we have from Away. I looked it up on how to pronounce it, and it said Way. The Scalp and Body Scrub. This retails for $38, and they are cruelty-free, but their parent company is not. Their parent company is Procter & Gamble, but all their products are made in the U.S. We also have the Z Gallery Storage Duo. These are $45. This was in the previous spoiler video as well. And the First Aid Beauty Ingrown Hair Pads and the KB Bump Eraser Body Scrub, and that has a retail of $40. I have tried that body scrub. It is, like a scrub consistency. You do wash it off, but I have noticed a difference. I've tried that and the Kapari one. Now the Kapari Bumps Be Gone, that's more like a lotion that you just put on, where this is a scrub that you put on and rinse off. But I did like it. Oh, and I've tried to find out if First Aid Beauty is cruelty-free or not. It seems unclear from all the websites that I check that they haven't got a confirmation from the company, so we just consider them unclear. Their parent company, though, however, is Procter & Gamble, and so that their parent company is not cruelty-free. We know that for sure. And it doesn't say if they're full sizes or not, but then when I look, it said that the value is $40. But then when I look at these individually, the pads are $20 and the scrub is $30. So I'm thinking maybe they're a smaller size combined, but we're not sure. I couldn't find an exact thing on that. Or you could get a Lilly Pulitzer lounge towel. The retail on that is $47.95. It says it is a microfiber material and the size is 40 by 72 inches. And did you know that the Lilly Pulitzer headquarters, which is located in Pennsylvania, is referred to as the Pink Palace? I did not know that. And just a sidebar, shameless self-plug here, if you are interested, if you are a smaller size and you're interested in some Lilly Pulitzer, I do have some for sale as resale in my Poshmark closet. I'll leave it linked down below. Okay, sorry about that, but just I have to plug it when I can, right? Or if you're looking for more home good products, their Material Kitchen is the brand, and it is stacking canisters, a set of 2 with lids, $35 value. It does say they are food safe. The canisters are 4.25 inches wide by 2.5 inches tall. The capacity is 10 ounces, and the canister itself is dishwasher safe. They do say to hand wash the lid because that is made of bamboo. Category number 3, we have a Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Lift Curl Mascara. That retails for $24 and they are cruelty free. Please let me know if you have tried that because I haven't and I'm curious. Or these next few items were talked about in the previous spoiler video, just FYI. This is Cosmetic, hopefully I'm saying that right, First Blush Brightening Acai Infused in Shower Face Mask. And they are cruelty free. This does have a retail value of $54. If you're looking for some sunscreen options, so if you're in the US, this will be an option for you. The Tula Skincare Protect and Glow Sunscreen with SPF. It's a gel, sorry, and that has a $36 value. They are cruelty free. Now, if you're in Canada, you won't have that option, but you will have an option from Kula and their face sunscreen. That is made in the US and they are cruelty free. The value of this one is $32. I feel like this is a blast from the past. This is by New Balance, but it's an ab wheel. It retails for $29.99 is the value of it. And when I saw this, I thought this looks like something that we've had like back in the day for exercise equipment at home. I don't think I ever used one because I always thought like it would hurt my back, but I don't know, maybe not. I don't know. Or we have the Rae Dunn Guac Salsa bowls. They retail for $40. And again, I had the sizes and everything of that on the previous spoiler video. And we have some jewelry, Bauble Bar. There's a rose necklace and extender bundle, and it's $76. I have tried some jewelry that had been in the Fabfitfun boxes, and I really like them. Actually, these earrings are from the last box. This is the Kate Spade earrings, and then I have a bracelet that I've gotten and a ring. So I do like the jewelry so far that I've gotten from the box. But there's also the Dr. Brandt. Now, they're not cruelty free, but it has a price tag of $132. And so even though I know that just because it's expensive doesn't equal that it's better, but there's definitely a part of me that wants to try that and see what does a $132 cream feel like? Because wowzers. Go on to category number 4. We have Truly Clear, Truly Gone acne patches. Now this is a 72 count and they retail for $30. I am unsure about the cruelty-free status. I couldn't find a definite answer. Now I do have these myself and I have tried them, and there's different sizes, and it is what if you have a breakout, then you put this on and leave it on, I think it's at least 8 hours, and then you take it off. Luckily, knock on wood, I don't get breakouts too much, but it has worked for me. Now, there's been a couple instances where I've put it on and then it wasn't instantly, like after the 8 hours, and I took it off, like it was still a little bit red there. But for the most part, it did take care of it. And for sure, it shortened the time period of like when you have a pimple and then they last for a long time, or at least it feels like a long time. It did shorten that time period. We have, okay, let me see if I can pronounce this right. I looked it up and I asked Google how to pronounce this. So, Elamescal. This is the Gel Sculpt Contour Outline and Silhouette Shadow. This has a value of $32. It's a water-based formula and they are cruelty-free. And I'm very tempted on this one because I've heard wonderful things about the Rare Beauty contour stick, but my color is always sold out. So I'm thinking like maybe this would be an option. I don't know. Or we have a Lasting Smiles candle that has a retail value of $45. And the scent is sea salt and citrus soy. It says that it is an eco-friendly, it's soy wax, so it's eco-friendly, clean burn. Features a cotton wick and fine perfume oils infused with essential oils of grapefruit and lemon. That sounds like a great scent for the summer. The last option for that category is from Wish. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I can never say that. But it's $58 value, and this is a firming sleep mask. They are cruelty-free, and it says that this firming mask features rose hip and lotus to soften, moisturize, and firm skin. Okay, moving right along to category 5. I'm filming this late at night, so I'm getting a little silly, but we have a Soar desk mat. It has a value of $29.99, black and white polka dot, like that. It says that it doubles as a mouse pad with a non-slipping back. There's 2 different options from Ahava. They have the Essential Day Moisturizer, and one is universal for all skin types, and one you can choose is for acne-prone skin, and it has a $69 value. $69. Unfortunately, that brand is not cruelty-free. The one for universal says that it boosts freshness and glow, and the one for acne prone says it gives a matte finish. All right, this one I'm tempted. This is a cuticle oil. This is whatever this brand is. I tell you, I'm terrible at pronunciation. Natural Milk and Honey Cuticle Oil. It has a retail value of $17.95. And yeah, I could definitely use some cuticle oil. My nails looking a little rough, or my cuticles looking a little rough. This says that it manicure cuticle revitalizing oil conditions and nourishes the cuticles. So yeah. We have Grace and Stella Pink Eye Mask. For 12 masks, it's a retail value of $24. Yeah, I've tried their gold ones and I did really like them. Now these are supposed to be focused on firming and hydrating the under eye the under eye area. Or we have also from Grace and Stella, which by the way, they are cruelty-free and vegan. The other option is If the Eyes Could Smile cream. This has a retail value of $35 and it is a brightening and moisturizing eye cream. You can use it AM and PM, and it says it can be used for the entire eye area. So what are we thinking so far? If you like getting the spoilers in this manner, then give me a thumbs up down below. If there's anything that I'm like missing out or that you'd like me to include in future spoilers, just let me know that as well. We go on to category number 6. We have ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick, and there's 2 different shades that you can pick from. They both have a retail value of $20. There is either Velvet, which looks like a nude color, or there's Butterscotch, which also looks nude, but it looks like it has more of a yellow undertone to it. So this is going to be your traditional bullet lipsticks. The next item is the $1 Billion Brows. You know what? I forget which box that was, but we got the $1 Billion Brows brushes in our box. Let's see, like this one is the foundation brush, which I like, by the way. But I kept saying the same thing on that one. Brows. No, brows. $1 billion brows. Condition, color, and control bundle. And this has a retail value of $63. They are cruelty-free. And what this bundle gives you is a primer and conditioner. So that provides a strong base to make your eyebrows pop. And then you get a universal brow pencil. And then for the final step, you get a clear brow gel to set the brows. So that is, there you go. If you're looking for some brow stuff, that is probably something you want. I don't know what I was going to say. Okay, next we have, this is a brand I've never heard of, Natura Brazil, Mira. I'm probably butchering all this. Hair leave-in conditioner. This has a value of $27. They are cruelty-free. And this, it's a certain type of butter, it says. It reduces frizz and helps detangle straight. Okay, we have another hair item. You know what always happens, I feel like, when I'm going through these spoilers, is there'll be one category that I want, usually like almost everything in that category. And then there'll be a category where I'm like, I guess maybe this or this. Well, for me, this number 6 category is kind of that category. But if you color your hair, this might be of interest to you. This is Fakia. I don't know how to say that, but this is Color Shampoo Extended Color Vibrancy, or you can get the conditioner. They each have a retail value of $24. It says it's ideal for every hue. It's sulfate free, so it helps reduce color fading. And on their website, they say they're cruelty-free. On the Leaping Bunny website, it says they're cruelty-free. But on the websites that I check, usually like Cruelty-Free Kitty and a couple others, they don't have it on there as either or. So I guess they're cruelty-free, but it's not like fully confirmed. Before we get to the last item, if you haven't already and you want to see what I actually do get in my box, then click the subscribe button down below. It's free to do. When you click it, and if it changes colors, then you are now subscribed to my channel. It doesn't spam you or anything. All it means is that then I will pop up on your, or supposed to pop up on your subscription feed and make it easier for you to find my videos. Indie Lee COQ10 toner, and this has a retail value of $36. They are cruelty-free, and their products are made in the US or France. Ooh la la. I always think ooh la la when something's made in France. You? Okay, so the claims of this one is to balance and refresh your skin with a hydrating toning mist. That does sound interesting. It's alcohol free, and it's formulated with COQ10, aloe vera, and cucumber. Ooh, that sounds really refreshing for the spring and summer, doesn't it? It's a non-drying skin spritzer. I might pick that one because that sounds pretty refreshing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this was helpful if you are not sure what you want to get, or if you're just interested in seeing what comes in a FabFitFun box. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you back here. I hope you have a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, whenever and wherever you are that you're watching this. If you want to see what I got in my spring FabFitFun, you can click on this video here. If you want to see that video that I referred to with some spoilers, you can click on this video. And if you just want to see some past FabFitFun boxes, you can click on either one of these videos. So thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.